Introduction to Beesen Comb Foundation.
1. Product specifications and materials. Frame, wood. Foundation, plastic. Fully coated with natural beeswax. Compatible with Langstroth standard hives. Cell size, worker bee. 2. Usage application timing and method. When the queen bee requires comb expansion. 1 natural swarming season, spring to early summer. March to early June. 2 artificial replacement period. Summer July to early August. The comb building rate may be somewhat reduced. 3. During swarming, 2-3 comb foundations should be inserted simultaneously to increase the comb building rate. When used for egg laying, the comb building rate is very high, but when used for honey storage, the rate decreases. 3. Competitive advantages of Beesen comb. 1. Economic efficiency. Semi-permanent usability. Constructed with a wooden frame combined with a plastic foundation, making it highly durable. Previously used foundations can be cleaned, disinfected, and reused. Eliminates the need to replace the comb foundation every season, allowing repeated use and cost savings. 2. Environmental protection. Significantly reduces the amount of comb foundations discarded each season. Made of wood and plastic materials, allowing recycling even after the end of its lifespan. 3. Profitability. Higher honey extraction efficiency. Disposable wax comb foundations cannot withstand high rotation speeds during centrifugal honey extraction, which limits the amount of honey harvested. The durable Beesen comb allows high-speed rotation during extraction, resulting in increased honey yield. 4. Bee-friendly comb foundation. Our own experiments confirmed that the typical drawback of plastic comb foundations, reduced comb building ability, did not occur. Instead, vigorous comb building activity was observed. Through repeated use, it provides a familiar environment for bees without causing any discomfort. 5. Shape retention and long-term storage. Disposable wax comb foundations are made entirely of wax, so at high temperatures, their shape may deform and the structure of the honeycomb cells can be compromised. Wax softening point, 40 degrees Celsius. Melting point, 62 degrees Celsius. The Beesen Comb Foundation is made of plastic as the base material and coated with beeswax, allowing it to retain its shape and be stored for long periods even under exposure to heat and ultraviolet light. 6. Technology patent. In progress. A technology designed to reduce the inconvenience and labor intensity for beekeepers who must repeatedly handle large quantities of comb foundations. A technology that makes comb building easier and more comfortable for the bees themselves. 4. Ease of use. Damage from wax moths can be minimized. Bee removal is very convenient, reducing working time and lessening stress on the bees. With excellent durability, complete honey extraction is possible through high-speed rotation. If drone cells, queen cells, or thickened hexagonal walls form on the comb surface, do not discard it. Simply scrape off the affected parts with a knife and reuse. Unlike disposable wax comb foundations, the Beesen Comb Foundation can be used semi-permanently, always providing the feel of a new foundation. 5. Field test results of comb foundation. Verification of comb building ability. Satu Hamangun, Gyeongsangnam-do, Korea. Introduced on June 10, 2025. Checked on June 14, 2025. Dua Hapcheongan, Gyeongsangnam-do, Korea. Introduced on July 3, 2025. Checked on July 7, 2025. 3 Asangun, Chungcheongnam-do, Korea. Introduced on June 25, 2025. Checked on June 28, 2025.
We sincerely thank all beekeepers for choosing the Beesen Comb Foundation.